The Ljuren Cordless Vacuum Cleaner often earns a place of respect among budget-friendly cordless vacuums because it delivers on many of the core promises it advertises. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around and store. A real plus if you live in a small apartment or routinely clean multiple rooms or even a car. The suction power, according to user reviews and independent tests, is surprisingly solid for its price range. It handles dust, crumbs, pet hair, and ordinary household debris quite well on hard floors and moderate surfaces, and the dual-mode suction gives you flexibility depending on the mess. The detachable battery and rechargeable design offer the convenience of cord-free cleaning, which many find far more user-friendly than bulky corded vacuums. The washable filter and simple dustbin maintenance add to the practicality and make it suitable for frequent, light to medium cleaning. For quick cleanups, think kitchens, living rooms, stairs, sofas, or car interiors. This vacuum can feel like a genuine helper rather than a gimmick. In day-to-day use, many buyers call it a budget-friendly alternative to pricier cordless vacuums, appreciating the balance between price, suction power, and ease of use. That said, it is not a miracle appliance, and there are valid limitations that prevent it from being a one-size-fits-all solution, which is often where the hype versus reality question arises. Its battery life, while decent for small to medium cleaning tasks, tends to fall short for intensive or whole-house cleanings. In high-power mode, runtime drops significantly, which means for larger homes or deeper cleans you might find yourself constantly recharging or forced to do multiple rounds. On thick carpets or heavily soiled areas, e.g. embedded dust, deep rug fibers, renovation dust, its suction and rolling brush design are reportedly weaker. You may need multiple passes or a traditional corded vacuum instead. Some users mention minor reliability and durability issues, occasional battery charging problems, or clogging when the dust canister is full, which can feel frustrating if you rely on it frequently. Finally, compared with premium cordless vacuums from top-tier brands, Ljuren lacks certain advanced build quality and suction consistency. While fine for everyday maintenance, it may not satisfy users needing deep clean performance. In short, the Ljuren Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is not a scam. For the right user, someone living in a small to medium space, needing an affordable, lightweight, easy-to-store vacuum for everyday dust, crumbs, pet hair, and quick cleanups, it's a reasonable, worth-it buy. But if you expect it to replace a heavy-duty corded vacuum for deep cleaning carpets, large spaces, or heavy debris, you may end up disappointed. The most honest verdict: treat it as a supplementary, convenience-oriented vacuum, useful and practical, but with realistic limitations.